I really enjoyed the mentorship program. I felt like it was a great opportunity to share sort of what I had learned through the process of trying and in some regards failing and trying again. And originally had wanted to go to law school, then decided to go on to a Master's of Public Health program. And I think a lot of the things that I was or had gone through rather, my students were going through even the same sort of internal discussion. So being able to talk with them of my experiences and guide in any way I could was a great opportunity.
It was nice. I mean, it was a really wonderful experience. It was nice to hear other people's ideas and kind of work together to think critically about those ideas, improve on those ideas. It was great to be able to share some of the lessons that I've learned and try to help people not make the same mistakes that I've made. So that part was nice. And it was good. I mean, it was nice making new friends, and then I also was able to, a few of their friends needed some help, so I was able to help them as well. So it was a great experience.
For me, it was really a good experience to kind of, as I'm asking these questions, kind of reflectively ask myself those questions. And so actually recently I decided to, I'm actually going to quit my job at Epic, and I'm going to go into try to become a doctor. So kind of going through that process of asking the questions about what do you really want to do, like what really drives you, things like that. And I'm looking at kind of the asset map and looking at things that are those tougher questions. I think now, kind of 3 years out of college, I was able to give it a different perspective. And so I think that's what I got out of it, getting just another kind of run through of those questions that I'm asking the students. I think was a good experience.
I saw myself over and over again. Well, it was really nice to kind of pass along some information, because and I'm sure you're going to hear this many times, I remembered being an undergrad and being very confused of what I really wanted to do, and not sure if I completely wanted to do public health or if I wanted to do something that related to public health in a broader way. And it was really nice to be able to talk to students who were kind of in that same place that I was just very recently. And first of all, reassure them that they will find something, and there are a lot of options out there, and you don't have to get stuck in one thing. It's, people change their careers, and there are many different ways to get to an eventual ideal, whether you know that ideal now or not. And so it was nice to kind of share that, also share some thoughts on getting started early in looking for careers and how to start to build a network. It's something that Northwestern talks about, but it's really nice when it's more specific to your field and you can start building that.
I liked helping her and seeing her come to her own conclusions and develop her goals and start as someone who had interest and end as someone who had a plan of sorts. I thought that was very satisfying to talk to her. Also, I was able to actually hook her up with a very specific person who gave her a volunteering opportunity she's going to have. And it was nice to connect with some of the people that I knew in the area.
It's nice, it's kind of rewarding to be able to help people who are in a position that you remember being in and sort of almost struggling, like, what do I do with my life after I graduate? So it's nice to just give advice and say it's okay to try a lot of different things.
It's meaningful to be able to help out the students and kind of, give back because I remember how much of an impact and how much help I got at Northwestern, and kind of, as a trainee myself now, how much all the training and the education help, how meaningful it is, and I'm grateful for all the opportunities and all the learning experience that I've had a chance to do, and the research experience that I had the chance to do. So it's very meaningful to give back and help out to the students.